Dear all, first of all, I would like to give you a warm welcome here in Lyon, in the hometown of Renault Trucks. You are the new sales representative of Renault Trucks in your market. In fact, you will be the ambassador of Renault Trucks in your market. And you are key players in the strategy that we have put in place in 2016, which has already given some good results, and in fact, which consists to sell, and to sell more what we have. And of course, you understand the importance of your role. And this is extremely important as well, that you have a good and deep understanding of Renault Trucks brand. And during this induction program, you will discover even deeper Renault Trucks. You will discover our history, you will discover our design, our equipment, and this is really important to develop the business and our business in your market. In fact, you will discover why our customers love us so much. We are convinced that performance are coming from competencies and the way that you live our values and the way that you pass our values to our customers. We have very important ambition, and of course you are part of it. I wish you an excellent session and see you on the market.